Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Vocab Listening Practice. I'm so happy you're here today. In today's story, we are going to London for a very special experience. We will follow David, who lives in London, and his friend Anna, who is visiting the city. They have decided to try fine dining, which means eating at a very fancy and expensive restaurant for the first time. This story is perfect for A-B level learners. The English is slow, clear, and very natural. You will hear how real people talk when they are nervous, excited, or trying to explain something simply. Before we start, I have a listening question for you. What is the specific culinary term that Anna explains to David to describe how the meat is cooked? If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice your English and improve your skills more effectively. We love seeing your answers. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this place, Anna. Are you sure we are allowed to just walk in?
Of course, David. We have a reservation, remember? You booked it yourself.
I know. But look at the grand door and the gentleman in the suit. It looks so posh.
It is very fancy. That is the whole point. It is our first fine dining experience in London. You should be excited, David, not scared.
I am excited, really, but I'm a little bit nervous.
Nervous? Why? You live here in London.
Yes, but I usually go to a simple pub or just buy a sandwich. I'm worried about my English.
Your English is wonderful, David.
No, I mean restaurant English. The difficult words on the menu and talking to the waiter. What if I don't understand the food, or what if I say the wrong thing?
Hey, don't worry. I'm right here with you. I've been to a few nice places before. If you don't understand a word, just ask me.
Really? You don't mind helping me?
Not at all. It's going to be fun. Think of it as a little food adventure.
A food adventure? Okay, that sounds much better.
Good. Now let's go inside. The host is looking at us. Just smile and follow my lead.
Okay, smile. I can do that. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Glass House. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, hello. It is under the name David.
Ah, yes, Mr. David. A table for two?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. If you will follow me, I will show you to your table. We have prepared a lovely spot for you by the window.
Oh, wow, David. Look at the floor. It is so shiny and clean.
I know. And the music, it is so quiet. I feel like I have to whisper.
Here we are. Please have a seat. Your waiter will be with you in a moment to offer you some water and the menus. Enjoy the view.
Oh my goodness, David. Look out the window. You can see the Tower Bridge from here.
It really is beautiful. Central London looks very different from up here. But look at this table. There are 3 forks. Why are there 3 forks, Anna?
Don't panic. They are just for different parts of the meal. The small one is usually for your salad or fish. Just start from the outside and work your way in.
Outside in. Okay. I hope I don't drop anything on this white cloth.
You will be fine. Just relax. Oh, here's the menu.
Oh no.
What is the matter?
Anna, I cannot read this. I mean, I know the letters, but I don't know what the words mean. What is an amuse-bouche? Is that a type of ghost?
No, it is not a ghost. It's a French word. It just means a tiny snack the chef gives you for free to start the meal. It's like a mouth pleaser.
A mouth pleaser. Okay. And consommé? Is that a type of soup?
Exactly. It's a very clear, thin soup. You're doing great already.
I don't know, Anna. Every line has a word I've never seen before. I feel like I'm reading a science book, not a dinner menu.
It's okay. Let's look at it together. I'll explain everything section by section.
Okay, I am looking at the appetizer section. Or is it starters? The menu says hors d'oeuvres.
They mean the same thing, David. It is just the first small plate of food. Look at the first one, seared scallops. Do you know what seared means?
Is it something like fried?
Close. It means the chef cooks the outside very quickly at a high temperature. It makes the outside a bit crispy, but keeps the inside very soft.
Oh, okay, seared. I will remember that. And what about this? Duck confit. I see that word confit everywhere in these fancy London places.
Ah, confit is a special way of cooking. They cook the meat very slowly in its own fat. It makes the meat so soft that it almost falls apart.
Actually, that sounds delicious. But then I see red wine juice. Is that just juice?
Almost. A juice is a thin, natural sauce made from the juices of the meat while it cooks. It is much lighter than a thick gravy.
Wow, you really know your stuff, Anna. I thought it was just a mistake and they meant juice.
No mistakes here. Now look at the means. This is the big plate. You can have pan-roasted sea bass or herb-crusted lamb.
Crusted, like a piece of bread crust?
Exactly. They put a layer of breadcrumbs and herbs on top of the lamb before roasting it. It gives the meat a nice crunch.
Everything sounds so complicated. Braised, poached, infused. My head is spinning.
Think of it like this. Braised is slow cooked in liquid. Poached is like boiling, but very gently. And infused just means they added a special flavor, like oil infused with truffle.
Truffle. I've heard of that. It's a very expensive mushroom, right?
Yes, a very smelly, very expensive mushroom. People in London love it.
Okay, I think I understand the food now. But Anna, the waiter is coming back. My heart is beating so fast. How do I even start? If I say, I want the lamb, does that sound too simple?
Don't say I want. It's better to say I would like or may I have. It sounds much more polite in a place like this.
I would like. Okay. I would like the lamb, please. Is that enough?
Perfect. And if you want to ask about a drink, you can say, what would you recommend?
What would you recommend? Okay. I'm practicing it in my head. Don't look now, but he's standing right behind you.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes with the menu?
Oh, hello. Yes, I think we are ready. Right, Anna?
Yes, we are ready to order.
Okay. To start, may I have the seared scallops, please?
Excellent choice, sir. The scallops were delivered fresh from Scotland this morning. And for your main course?
I would like the herb-crusted lamb. Is the portion very big?
It is a very balanced portion, sir. It comes with a side of braised seasonal vegetables and a mint-infused jus.
Okay, that sounds great. Thank you very much.
And for me, I will have the duck confit to start
And then the pan-roasted sea bass for my main, please.
Certainly. And would you be interested in our special promotion today? We are offering a tasting flight of 3 British cheeses to follow your main courses at a special price.
A flight? Like an airplane?
No, David. In a restaurant, a flight means a selection of small portions of different things. It is like a cheese sampler, so you can try a few different kinds.
Oh, a flight. Yes, that sounds very interesting. Maybe we can decide later.
Of course, sir. No rush at all. I will place your order now. Thank you.
Ah, man, I did it. I actually ordered in a fancy restaurant.
You did. And your pronunciation of scallops was perfect. You sounded like a real London local.
Really? I was so worried I would say it wrong. And the waiter was actually very kind. He did not look at me like I was, uneducated.
Of course not. They are professionals. Their job is to make you feel comfortable, not to judge your English. See? You're doing a great job.
I feel much better now. Wait, did he say the scallops were from Scotland? That's a long way for a fish to travel for my lunch.
It just means they're high quality. Everything here is about where the food comes from.
Here we are. The seared scallops for the gentleman and the duck confit for the lady.
Oh, wow. Just look at that.
David, look! It looks like a painting. It is almost too beautiful to eat.
There are only 3 scallops, but they are sitting on a little green circle. Is that the puree you mentioned earlier?
Yes, it looks like a pea puree. And look at the tiny flowers. Are those real?
Yes, sir. Those are edible pansies. They add a very light floral note to the dish. Enjoy your starters.
Edible flowers. London is full of surprises. Oh, Anna, you have to try this. It is so soft. It just melts in my mouth.
And this duck is incredible. It is so salty and crispy on the outside, but the meat inside is so tender. Confit was definitely the right choice.
I was so worried about the words, but the food speaks for itself. I don't need a dictionary to know this tastes amazing.
Exactly. Good food is a universal language. But see, you learned seared, confit, and puree all in one afternoon.
And edible flowers. I didn't think I'd be eating the garden today.
Well, get ready. Here comes the waiter again with our main courses.
For the lady, the pan-roasted sea bass with lemon butter sauce. And for the gentleman, the herb-crusted lamb. Careful, the plates are very warm.
The crust on this lamb is so green. It smells like rosemary and thyme.
And my fish looks so fresh. The skin is perfectly crispy. Oh, the lemon butter sauce is so tangy. It has a sharp, fresh taste.
Nodding. This lamb is perfect. It's pink in the middle, just like you said it should be. I think I'm starting to like this fine dining thing.
I told you, it's not just about being fancy. It's about the care they put into every detail.
You're right. I feel so relaxed now. I'm not even worried about the forks anymore. I just used the big one and it worked fine.
See, you're a natural.
I am officially full. I can't believe I ate those flowers and the lamb and, well, everything.
You look very satisfied, David. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
The sea bass was spectacular.
It was. But you know, the best part wasn't just the food. It was feeling like I could actually handle it. Talking to the waiter and understanding the plate, I feel like my English grew a little bit today.
It definitely did. You were so brave with those new words. Infused, braised, flight. You're a pro now.
Thanks to you, Anna. I would have probably ordered a bowl of water and left if you weren't here.
Oh, I don't think so. But it was a great way to spend the afternoon. Look, the sun is going down over London.
It's beautiful. Hey, since we are done with the fancy part of the day, how about a walk? We can walk across the bridge and see the city lights coming on.
That sounds perfect. I really need to walk after all that delicious food.
And maybe we should plan our next meetup. I promise it won't be as stressful as this one.
Oh, what do you have in mind for next time?
There's this famous London coffee shop near Monmouth Street. It's small, casual, and the coffee is the best. No jus, no confit, and definitely no 3 forks. Just coffee and maybe a big slice of cake.
I love it. A casual London coffee date. It's a plan.
Great. Let's get the bill. Oh, wait. How do I ask for the bill politely again?
Can we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please? Okay, here goes nothing. Raising hand slightly. Excuse me.
And that is the end of our story. David and Anna had a wonderful time, and David learned that even fancy English isn't so scary with a friend. Now, do you remember the listening question from the beginning? What is the specific culinary term that Anna explains to David to describe how the meat is cooked? The answer is confit. You could also say seared or braised. Anna explained that confit means cooking meat very slowly in its own fat until it is very soft. Did you get it right? If you did, or even if you tried, please write your answer in the comments section. Writing in English is a fantastic way to make your brain remember new words. I hope you enjoyed this trip to a London restaurant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stories like this. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much for listening and practicing your English with us today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.